Hi, my name is Sinjin Slater. I'm one of the guest experience managers here at Holiday Automotive, and today we're walking around one of these 2022 GMC Sierra Denalis. So in the back tailgate, as you've seen on commercials, there are 6 different functionalities to your back end tailgate right down here. They call that the Multi-Pro Tailgate, and as you can see, when I push that down, it'll slowly drop down, leaving you with a nicer little workbench and or a stopper. If you have some bigger tools, equipment that kind of are a little bit longer, can't fit in the bed, you can use this to stop said tools or equipment. As you lift these up again, you can go down and push the bottom button, dropping down the whole tailgate. Now the bed size of this truck is 5.5 feet, and then when you bring this stopper up, it does make it an additional 1.5 feet. So you get about 7 feet of total room from this stopper to the back of the bed. When you push both buttons in unison, you kind of get this first and easier access into the back end and or, as you've seen, these steps. It does leave you with an extra little handle here that you can lift, which allows you to just get into the bed. I'm a big wheel guy, so of course wheels are really nice looking and very important to me. 20-inch chrome wheels there. Of course, back end and room in the crew cabs, as you can see, they've gained 3 inches of legroom from previous generations and 2.5 inches more headroom. You can see there are multiple different storage areas underneath and inside your seat, including your cup holders, including the in-seat storage, allowing for ratchet straps, jumper cables, extra little storage things you might need. And then, per se, if you were to close those and lift this seat up, you do have the underneath seat storage, which you can actually turn into a lockbox. The outer 2 seats are heated, so when you have your passengers back here, they won't complain about being too cold for you. Rather large center console with a phone kind of holder here so it doesn't slide around as you lift this up. More or less just for extra storage again, and this drops down so you can put anything you'd need in there. You can also turn that into a lockbox, a wireless phone charger. Now your shifter has changed from previous generations as well. Push to start vehicle, of course, heated and cooled seats for the driver and passenger with your dual climate control. We call that the marriage saver here at Holiday. A couple different safety features. First one being your lane keep assist, parking sensors. This button right here is your auto stop start technology. If you have a passenger in the vehicle and you're maybe loading stuff up in the back and had your hands full, they could push this button to drop down the back end tailgate so you don't have to drop anything to push some buttons. Your hazards, your traction control, hill descent control, and another fun one, this just drops all 4 windows down if you're in a hurry to cool down the vehicle in a hot summer day. You can push this instead of having to hold all 4 down. You now have a 12.4-inch diagonal screen here, which is now all Google based. So in your audio, of course, you will have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth capabilities. Your maps then have Google Maps instead of a built-in Chevy or GMC Infotainment, which is nice because it is updated by the second, where if there's any sort of road hazards or construction work, you will be notified. Your phone, again, just allowing for Bluetooth to make phone calls and texts, all that stuff. Now cameras. There are a lot of new cameras inside this vehicle. Starting with, of course, your 360 view or your bird's eye view. So you can see to the right there is a camera facing forward. If you push on this button, you will then get a view of what's behind us. The next slide, you do have another fun one. This is more a bird's eye view of the back end of the truck, and then again, the front end of the truck. Now I use this one probably the most of them all. These are your side camera mirrors. So of course I'm going to put my hand out underneath this mirror here, and you can see that my hand is visible to you. Right here is a hitch view. So as you're backing up to your trailer, you can get the perfect view of the ball backing right up to where your trailer might be. Climate you can use on the screen or again right down here. Now my personal favorite feature right here is your heated steering wheel. When you push this button, it will of course heat the whole outer ring of the heated steering wheel, allowing you to have warm hands at any given point. Kind of takes away the need of having gloves inside the car anymore. It's super, super nice. And like I said, use it every single day. Thank you again for taking your time and watching me walk around this 2022 GMC Sierra Denali. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to call us or reach out to us at Holiday Automotive.